finance company office. She pounds the typewriter all day long. I clean the office, but she don't know I'm around. That's why I sing this crazy song. Although I'm just a cleaner, I'd like to get between her. Get between her and her typewriter. Typewriter. The boss, he doesn't like me. In fact, he thinks I'm quite a bore. He told me if I don't stop staring at that girl, he's going to boot me out the door. Although I'm just a cleaner, I'm going to get between her. Get between her and her typewriter. Typewriter. She calls me over, starts to speak, must be my day. But when I get there, all she really wants to say is clean around my desk and empty out my trash can, if you please. She spills her coffee down my back while I'm groveling on my knees. Now is my chance if I can't ask her for a date. The coffee that is dripping down my pants will have to wait. Although I'm just a cleaner, I'm going to get between her. Get between her and her typewriter. Typewriter. Yeah, the typewriter. Typewriter.